Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today I got smothered turkey wings with peppers and onions. Yes, this recipe came out bomb, y'all. I mean bomb. So let me show y'all a couple of products that I use. Turkey wings, black pepper, paprika, cumin, my special seasoning, minced garlic, cream of mushroom soup, onion, bell pepper, and jalapeno. I didn't use a turkey gravy because the cream of mushroom soup was enough. So if you want to see how your girl create this recipe, then continue to watch. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and cut up our onion, our bell pepper, and our jalapeno. I'm only making 2 turkey wings tonight, so I'm going to go ahead and add my special seasoning, some paprika, and some cumin. And we're just going to go ahead and mix that all together, as well as some garlic. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and place the turkey wings inside of the glass pan. And we're going to go ahead and situate those so they could cook evenly. So I decided to turn them on their backs with the flap underneath so it won't be sticking up when I put it in the oven. And then we're going to go ahead and start making our sauce or our gravy. So we're going to go ahead and use this cream of mushroom soup, add some water. We're going to put that all together, mix it up, put it on the turkey wings with all the vegetables, the bell pepper, the onion, the jalapeno, and then we're going to also throw some seasoning on it, which I use paprika and pepper. So this is how those babies are looking once they come out the oven. Very scrumptious, delicious, fully cooked. Yes, I took them out of the oven because the bell pepper and onion, it was starting to get a little brown, but I like it a little toasty, but I didn't want the presentation to be so messy. So thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to please rate, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Love you guys. If you want something for me to cook, then go ahead and leave it down below. Bye.